evaporative emission system has a leak, so you have to smoke it to find the leak. The filter is located like right here, and that's why all that smoke is there. Check engine light is on. A lot of time you get the fuel cap light. You don't. They tell you to click it 3 times, whatever. Same problem. So like you want to go straight to diagnosis, but sometimes you got to go into tear down.
Just to diagnose.
Kind of like when you have a water leak in your house. Plumber tells you I got to cut some walls open just to find it.
Yeah, leak detection.
Just to be able to stop this so I can properly diagnose. I mean, you can see it requires more than just hooking up a computer.